Hi, I would like to talk to you about something that's on my mind. Recently, the Supreme Court has struck down uh, the, I mean, concept of affirmative action being, I mean, well, the law, in their decision, they struck down law, concerning affirmative action in college admissions and I I get the feeling this is going to set a very bad precedent in 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 America. In case you don't know what affirmative action is, I mean, it's I'll read the first paragraph of the Wikipedia article. Affirmative action, also known as positive action or positive discrimination, um, involves sets of policies and practices within the government or organization seeking to include particular groups based on their gender, race, sexuality, creed, or nationality in areas in which such groups are underrepresented, such as education and employment. Historically and internationally, support for affirmative action has sought to achieve goals such as bridging inequalities in employment and pay, um, increasing access to education, promoting diversity, and redressing wrongs, harms, or hindrances. I mean, so basically, affirmative action is supposed to give supposed to help people in minority groups and underrepresented underrepresented groups to get their foot in the door when it comes to education, employment, and this decision to strike down affirmative action in college admissions is well, on one side they may affirm that that it'll allow people of of true merit, those that truly earn their way to receiving college admissions to receive help. To receive admission to colleges. No, especially like the like the very expensive universities like Harvard, Yale, something like that. On the other hand, although this is some people argue that this will that this will make it so that only only white males, white straight males will be allowed to be accepted in college admissions. This, Supreme Court is basically taking America in the wrong direction. They struck down I mean, unrestricted access to abortion in all 50 states. So now So now only so now that abortion is basically a state issue rather than a federal issue. I mean, it's like if person wants to seek an abortion, it need to be in a state that allows for abortion to happen. I mean, see, Supreme Court seems to be taking America back to time period where before progress happens, before civil rights movement and some people are calling it Christian to take America back to a time period where they think that America was moral and I mean people tend to overinflate the 1950s as a time of like the America utopia but America's not going to turn back into the 1950s. It's just going to turn into a right-wing hellhole. I mean, just right-wingers want to impose their so-called morality on people, and I mean, Judge Clarence Thomas especially wants to end interracial marriage, all because of his being married to a white female. And it's like, yeah. Judge Clarence Thomas seems to really hate himself as a part of a part of a minority. I mean, thinking America is better off with white people in control of everything. These people need prayer. I mean, they're not delivering justice to America. They're just imposing their idea of justice on other people, and their idea of justice ends up being injustice for all people. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have to share with you in this video. So, have a good day. Excuse me, and God bless you.